This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas. All that we want in our life is joy and happiness. And that becomes clear by being in the presence of Mahavallabha Ganapati. Navdin Mahotsav at Ganesh Temple attracts thousands of devotees and also special grace of abundance that flows from Mahavallabha Ganapati. And this year, 2013, also is a very special year.
ओम अं ब्रह्मणे नमः आवाज्य आवाहनान्त्राः प्रदर्शार्जं दत्वा ओम अनन्तान् मा ज्ञानान् मा वैराग्यान् मा ऐश्वर्यान् मा विद्वान् मा विद्वन्दे
The Rath Yatra is just starting from the temple premises, and Mahavallabha Ganapati is going around the streets of Flushing, showering his grace and offering the message of universal peace and oneness to one and all.
My name is Ajay. My son's name is Arjun.
Ajay, how is being a part of this Rath Yatra?
Oh, it's getting beautiful every year. We've been coming here for the last 5 years since my son was born. This is getting bigger and bigger, and it's more beautiful than ever.
Lord Ganesha bless you. Lord Ganesha bless you.
This is the greatest feeling I get on the face of the earth. Om Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Om Tanno Dantif Prachodayat.
More than 25 years we have been doing this Rath Yatra. This is significance for Hindus and also for Hinduism at large. And it is for humanity. It is for humanity to Hinduism spread this peace, prosperity and integrity of the people. That is the important thing.
Ganesh Grand Rath Yatra and the pleasure of the presence of Barry Grodenchik, who is Deputy Borough President, Director of Community Board, the City of New York. Tell us your experience on being a part of this procession.
Well, I've been to the parade for many years now. This is just another great event that makes Queens and all of New York City so special. I have watched this temple grow over, I guess, the past 30 plus years. I remember, it's a true story, the first time I drove down Bound Street and the temple had been built, I almost drive up on the sidewalk because I couldn't believe how authentic the building was. I have worked with Dr. Mazurka over many, many years as an assemblyman, as a deputy borough president, to continue to try to help to make the temple flourish. This is a great day. We got beautiful weather as we always do, so I'm delighted to be here on behalf of myself, Borough President Helen Marshall, and all the 2.3 million people of Queens County. Namaste.
Greetings to you on this special occasion. Let's begin by talking about the brightness of the day as well as the spirit.
Ashok, it's good to see you, brother. This is the biggest tradition every year here in Flushing. And I walk in this Ganesh parade every year. And it seems to get bigger and better all the time. The Hindu Temple Society has been such a important part of Flushing now for decades. And today, like we do every year, we celebrate the goodness, we celebrate the strength of our community, and of course, we ward off the evil spirits by breaking the coconut, which I was happy I successfully did today.
Absolutely.
And it just continues to show, look at this. Thousands of people walking here. in Flushing, people coming out of their homes to watch what's going on and to be part of the celebration. This is what New York is.
Wonderful. It's all about the spirit of oneness, spirit that spreads love and harmony. And also, there is something which helps us in keeping our head high, come whatever. And now, let's look with you how you reacted to the recent Democratic primary elections, where many people with you felt disappointed. How was your response?
I was disappointed at the results. I think that the numbers were rather weak, and ultimately it became a self-fulfilling prophecy where the incessant poll numbers, which were wrong to begin with, just kept being published every day, had an impact on voters. I think people just felt that there was no hope, and so that's contributed to the weakness in our numbers. And of course, the Campaign Finance Board unfairly took away our campaign funds in the most unjust manner, and that took away my ability to get the message directly out to the voters. But I'm very proud of what my campaign has done. We have raised the issues, so much so that other candidates began adopting my positions on these issues, important issues affecting our communities.
A few words about your vision for future.
Well, I think this is an example of our future, right here in this Ganesh Parade. This is an example of our future, this Ganesh Parade, which celebrates our roots, our background. We never forget where we came from, and at the same time, we adapt to our new life here in this country that we have adopted as our own. And that's the beauty of what America is. That's what New York City is about. And I know that Asian Americans have contributed a great deal to what New York City is all about. And we'll continue to make New York an even better place.
Thank you very much and lots of good wishes.
Ashok, thank you.
Maheshwara Putra Gajanana, Maheshwara Putra Gajanana, Vigna Vinayaka Gajanana, Vigna Vinayaka Gajanana, Pada Namaste Gajanana, Pada Namaste Gajanana, Saravadana Ganesha.
मैं आपका टीवी में देखा था, आज ही आपका मैं डायरेक्टर देख रही हूँ। मेरा सुबह इधर अच्छा दिन है।
ये आपको कैसा लगता है यहाँ गणेश?
बहुत अच्छा जी। मैं ना तमिलनाडु है ना, मेरे को इधर आ गई, मेरा मद्रास आ गई, काश तमिलनाडु आ गई, मेरे को अच्छा फीलिंग हो रहा है।
It's good because people gather here, they chant the mantras.
Senator Tony Avella, it's great to have you here with us. Tell me, how do you feel?
Well, you know, this is, I've attended the procession many times. It's a great opportunity for the rest of the community to see the Indian culture and religion, and just a wonderful experience this is. So I'm happy to be here. I'll always be here every time they invite me every year.
What is it that you are most excited about these days?
Just being an elected official representing the people and having the opportunity to meet and experience all the different cultures and religions.
This year I see the turnout of the younger people dressed in traditional, both girls and boys, dressed in traditional costumes. And even the last 10 days, the participation by the youth has been tremendous. Lot more than usual, lot more widespread. And as you can see, all around young people, which is our next generation. So we feel very confident we can pass the baton to the next generation.
And I'm glad to be here. I never miss the parade.
It's an honor to be here. It's very excellent to see all these people and to see the Ratratya behind me right now. Om Triambakam Yajamahay Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarakamiv Bandhana Vityomokshiyam Amrita Om.
Ganesh ji is the Rupa, is the god of removing obstacles. He's the remover of obstacles.
सर ये मेरा किस्मत है कि मैं रथ यात्रा में पार्टिसिपेट कर सक रहा हूँ। ये भगवान की कृपा है और बहुत बढ़िया है सर। ये टेंपल वालों ने बहुत बढ़िया ये रथ यात्रा कर रहे हैं। हमें सबको आनंद आ रहा है सर।
I'm grateful to God and very happy to be here to part of this beautiful occasion. Amma, you have done a wonderful job. I think you were born for Lord Ganesha to serve the temple, work for the community. Thank you.
Mahaganapatim manasa smarami. Mahaganapatim manasa smarami. वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि.
This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.
Just a prasadam to the God, and it's a community service. So we try to do whatever best we can.
And tell me, how do you feel being a part of it?
Oh, I feel fantastic. I've come fresh from Princeton. I've drove 2.5 hours, and I really feel good about it.
Om Ganpati Namo Namah, Shri Ganpati Namo Namah, Jai Jai Ganpati Namo Namah, Satguru Ganpati Namo Namah.
Hi everyone, I'm Congresswoman Grace Meng. It's great to be here once again to celebrate the birth of Lord Ganesh, someone who symbolizes the remover of obstacles, and that's something that we so desperately need in Congress and in our country right now. So it's great to be here.
So, in your opinion, what is the biggest obstacles these days that we as Americans are facing?
Well, something important that we've been working on in Congress is immigration reform. We desperately need better immigration laws to reunite our families and to make sure that our country is as strong as can be. So that's something that we hope we can ask Lord Ganesh for his blessings, because we really need to remove a lot of these obstacles and learn to compromise.
आज तो बहुत अच्छा दिन है. It's a great day. This is the culmination of our 9-day festival with the grand Rath Yatra, taking Lord Ganesha out on the streets. As they say, if those devotees who can't come to the temple, God reaches out to them and blesses them. If that is a symbolic meaning, it's much more than that, because thousands and thousands of people now marching with the chariot, with the Ratha, are just enjoying themselves. The very bliss of the Lord is now vibrating every place. They're singing, dancing to the tune of music. The bhajans people are enjoying every minute of it. Brings the entire community, both Hindus and non-Hindus, together, and is able to express to the world that we are a large community here to serve the people, not just of New York, but of the world. And my humble prayers to the Lord to shower His grace and blessings on one and all, and let there be peace on this earth.
Uma, you very quickly sharing with people who do not know much about the activities of Hindu temple, even this 9-day festival probably would require whole year's preparation to happen. And there are so many dimensions of activities which are undertaken under the umbrella of Hindu temple. talking about human beings, we hear that each one has infinite energy, but very few get that secret, call it, or the ability to manifest it in such a diverse way as you are consistently every day doing. So share with us, what is the secret? Each one is connected to the God, yet some are limited and some are apparently like functioning as if they are limitless.
We're all human beings. No one is an exception to that rule. But I think faith and the willingness and looking forward with a great sense of vision is what gives me the strength. Yes, I do get tired, but then I put that tiredness apart. And then I said, look, I have something to accomplish today. No matter what happens, as long as my hands and limbs are doing okay, I will pull on. And it has never failed me so far, thank God. So what's important is we must have that vision. We must plan this and execute it in the most reasonable and, of course, the most effective way. And you take the help of all those whom you trust, whom you think you can count on. And God is always there by your side and looking over us, and He gives us the directions. So my really advice to one and all, especially the young people, but please make sure that you always have a vision. No matter what happens, try to fulfill that vision. Don't ever think that anything comes in your way, because nothing can come in your way if you have the willpower to overcome that.
Very quick last question related to, every year we have puja by children, and I guess this year the number was many folds much more than what it used to be earlier.
Astoundingly high, you're right. And I think perhaps, the blessing of the Lord is extended all over the place. And then many more children have come back and told me, as they have grown, I've delivered a lot of them, and they come and tell me, when I used to do Ganesha Puja, when I was such and such, I still have kept so many Ganeshas in me. It has brought me so much of good luck. I have passed my exams in tricolors and so forth. And I think these kinds of words of wisdom, words of experience, has been spreading. And therefore you see almost close to 400 children participated this year. And it's a great feeling, because I feel all that we are thriving for is for the children to understand and follow this great dharma of ours. I think we are inching step by step to reaching that conclusion.
It's a very important day for us, for all the devotees in general, and for me in particular, as I am associated with this temple for more than a decade now. I am very proud to be a part of this. This is a very important day for us. The annual festival, today is the last day. For 9 days, we have worked very hard to see all the devotees are happy. Lord Ganesha himself is happy. So he is now in the street to bless the devotees. Whether the devotees come to the temple or he himself is going there to bless them. That is the idea behind this Ratha Yatra.
The feeling is great. We do this one is once a year. We come out on the street to bring our Lord Ganesh on the streets. We all excited and dancing for Lord Ganapati.
Ganapati Bappa Moria, Siddhi Vinayak Moria, Siddhi Vinayak Mangal Murti. Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria.
Om Gam Ganapati Namo Nama, Siddhi Vinayak Namo Nama, Ashta Vinayak Namo Nama. Ganapati Bappa Moria.
Ganapate Namostute, Matangavadana Namostute, Girijanandana Namostute.
Om Namo Vrajapataye Namo Ganapataye
Namo Pramadapataye Namaste Stulambodharaya Ekadamtaya Shivasudaya Shri Varanamurtaye Namo Namaha.
बाज गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
गणेश जी का स्वरूप ही आनंद से भरा हुआ है और वो आनंद कभी गीत के माध्यम से, कभी नृत्य के माध्यम से और निश्चित रूप से नागस्वरम के द्वारा जो उत्साह और उमंगों का वर्धन भक्तों में हो रहा था, उसके साथ साथ जो बहुत ही सुंदर रजत यानी कि सिल्वर से बना हुआ रथ है, उसमें जब महावल्लभ गणपति अपनी आशीष मुद्रा के साथ सभी के बीच निकले तो आनंद निश्चित रूप से बड़ा है। And grand Rath Yatra is nothing but pure joy, an expression of love and manifestation of that spirit of universal oneness, which is part and parcel of Hinduism. Reporting for this beautiful, glorious occasion where devotees feel a sense of happiness and a sense of togetherness, this is Ashok Vyas for ITV. This is Wide Angle with Ashok Vyas.